Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter medium wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 140 PS. The vehicle also is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the lovely Oyster Silver. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a half-painted front bumper as well as a set of front parking sensors. Towards the rear of the van we'll find the 270-degree hinged barn doors, and the van features a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the rear doors and taking a look into the load area, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. Behind the sliding door there's a step and a yellow grab handle, allowing for easy and safe access into and out of the load area. The vehicle also features a full steel black bulkhead separating the load area from the cab. Up in the cab itself we'll find a total of 3 seats, and the driver's seat features an armrest. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This allows you to access any of your favourite radio stations or connect your smartphone device, as well as access a variety of different vehicle menus and settings. Throughout the rest of the cab we'll find a variety of different charging points, and for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter in a medium wheelbase. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.